It's December, the holidays are around the corner, and you already know it. I have Nürburgring license merged for you with additional 10% off if you use code Misha Xmas25 on checkout on Nürburgring.com. From holiday sweaters with Nürburgring design in merino wool in different colors, Nürburgring books that I have helped to co-write, socks, and also, as of recent, we have calendars for 2026. The first couple of hundred of them come signed by me, and some of them contain also very interesting and exclusive giveaway items, such a taxi lab with, not with this car, but another one that we will be unveiling soon for next year, and maybe the Civic, maybe the Mustang, who knows, and a couple of other things. Anyway, head over to Nürburgring.com, and now enjoy the rest of the video. Hi, Kevin.
Hi.
Focus ST, proper tangerine orange, very juicy, with a Nürburgring sticker. It has a Focus RS engine though, well, similar 5-cylinder, just
I have the same horses.
Yeah.
Right now.
Yes. So now this one has 300 horsepower, the massive exhaust, and yeah. For the rest, we have prepped interiors, Parco bucket seats, we have cooler work shifter. Harnesses, half gauge in the back, which is also very nice and convenient. Is there anything worth seeing underneath the bonnet?
Yeah, we can take it.
Yeah, let's have a look. Focus RS front calipers.
Yeah, from Mark III.
Mark III, yeah, with DS2500 brake pads. Not my favorite, but it was actually working quite well. What didn't work well, 8008 RS tires, like previously on the Renault Clio RS with the Megane engine. Almost no grip, like you're driving on blocks of wood for some reason. Anyway, but for the rest, great engine with a nice breathing Carter ventilation system, and yeah, all the oil cooler and everything mandatory to make it all work. And it worked. Like, it was just like the tire was a frustrating factor because the chassis and everything else was a very nice setup. What suspension is it on?
Bilstein. Yeah, Bilstein.
Yeah. Bilstein B what?
That one you can change the height.
16 probably.
Yeah.
B16.
I cannot remember. X drive or ST drive, something like that.
Alright. Well, no, that was very nice. I'm happy we could make it happen because we don't see or drive many of these often. So here we are. So thank you. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you had fun. It was,
Me too.
Yeah, we had a great open track to ourselves almost pretty much because it was empty, so yeah. It was nice. And oh, there's the track speed M2. Anyway, yeah, thank you for stopping by. Then yeah, you guys have fun, enjoy the lap. Yeah.
Yes.
hill.
With the Megane engine.
Yeah.
With the girl. Same tire, same things.
Ah, alright.
It's like a block of wood. The handling is nice, it's super neutral. Brakes are alright. I expected worse because I really don't like Charoudins, but they seem to be working quite okay.
It's brake on front, so
okay, yeah, it's just the tires.
Yeah.
The tires is really the limiting factor, and I guess open diff. Or
open.
Yeah, because you could hear the one wheel was constantly spinning. Yeah. So it's that's the only thing.
Alright.
If you want to do it better, get better tires, and after that maybe better diff.
Duncan 1?
AR1 or CRS. CRS is definitely much better.
Alright. I'll just think about buy that next time.
Yep. Yep.